Is your LennarDigital apps not working because of the Sylenth1 synthesizer DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. Before we walk through the Sylenth1 synthesizer troubleshooting, you can access a utility focused on providing a clean system environment. This is the Sylenth1 synthesizer, the main runtime library for the Sylenth1 virtual analog synthesizer, implementing oscillator modeling, filter behavior, and voice management. It drives the core synthesis engine used in many electronic music projects. If missing or unregistered, DAWs may report plugin could not be found, and projects may load with silent or empty instrument channels. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. Errors related to Sylenth1 synthesizer DLL often mean the internal LennarDigital configuration inside your host program is broken, so you need to reinstall that specific software from the official developer source to replace the library. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Sylenth1 synthesizer, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/R, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. The version of Sylenth1 synthesizer DLL found on most download sites is often compiled for different hardware, which can cause your CPU to work harder or crash. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. If boot alerts or library warnings persist, the official diagnostic kit below provides general guidance on Sylenth1 synthesizer. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saves Sylenth1 synthesizer workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.